Okay, so I am logged under Juliana's account. So when you first log in, you're going to see the learning, you'll see recommendations. This is just the landing page. What you want to do to find the games. Click on the subject area. So I'm going to click on math. There's all the list of assignments that she's normally assigned in a week. Scroll all the way to the bottom, bottom. And then you should see second grade games. Okay. And then the same thing, sorry if I'm moving too fast, for language arts. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And then there's second grade games for reading. I hope this helps. If it's not showing up on your computer, maybe it's, I don't know, it could be maybe a connection thing. I would make sure I'm using Google Chrome. Try those things and let me know if you're still having issues. Thanks.